look at the front page. What can you see in this picture? There's a boy.
David?
There is an ugly boy.
Yes.
Who is he? Is it devil?
Billy.
Is it devil?
Yes.
악마야?
Yes.
Okay. He's the bully. Huh?
Billy.
And what's his name?
Billy was the devil.
Okay. What's his name? What's his name?
Billy.
Okay, he's Billy. And where is he now? Where?
Class.
Okay, he's in the classroom and he's on the
Table.
right? Okay. Please turn to the next page. Okay, do you know what this is?
No.
This you can call it a Jack in the Box.
Jack in the
Okay.
box.
Okay, please open your book to page 2. What's the name of the boy on the left?
Harry's
His name is?
Harry.
No. What's his name?
Billy.
Billy. Okay. See the right. 민찬. See the right. 똑바로.
네.
His name is Billy. What does Billy like in school?
Bully.
Bully, right. He was the bully. And what did he do to Harry?
Harry's. 빨리 나가.
What did he do?
Lunch.
He stole
Stole
Harry's lunch. What did he do to Mary? Ruined Mary's painting. Okay, next page. Do you know anyone like Billy? The school bully? Are there school bullies in your school? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Who are they?
주원석, 김태우, 선우진, 정다운, 주원석,
Oh, really?
원석이구나.
Really? Wow. So there are so many bullies in your school. Huh? Wow. What does he do? What do they do?
김태우.
어떻게 하는데?
선생님 말할 때 딴 얘기를 해요.
아 그래? Okay. 자, please move on to the next page. What did he do to Ned? What did he do to Ned?
He's wearing glasses.
Okay, he teased Ned for wearing glasses. Did Billy say sorry for that?
No.
No, he never says sorry. Okay, next page. What is Billy excited about? What is Billy excited about? His
birthday.
Okay, his birthday was coming up. So who did he invite to his birthday party?
Whole class.
Whole class. Okay, next page. Where did Billy wait? Where? 어디에서? Door. At the door. Okay. What is it for? 뭐 때문에?
Birthday.
A birthday party. Okay, next page. What did Billy do all day?
Wait.
He waited and waited. Did anyone come?
No.
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 So only one person came. Who was it? Who was it? Ned. Okay, next page. Were the others coming later?
They're not coming.
They are not coming. Why not?
Because you're bully.
Okay, because Billy was a bully. Next page. Then why was Ned here? Why was Ned there?
Friend.
Okay, they are friends. How did Billy feel?
Worm.
Warm, that's right. He felt warm inside. Next page. How did Billy change? Nice. Okay. From then on, Billy was always nice. And what did Billy give to Harry?
Help. Apple.
Okay, he gave his
Harry.
apple to Harry. And what about for Mary?
Harry. Help.
Mary. Help. That's right. He helped Mary. And next page. What do you see in the picture? What do you see? 뭘 볼 수 있지?
Teacher.
Okay, concept teacher and
Children.
children. That's right. And what is Billy wearing in the picture? What is Billy wearing?
Ned. New glasses.
Oh, Ned's new glasses. How did Billy like the glasses? Huh? Billy like?
Yes.
Okay, he liked it, right? How did Billy feel? How did Billy feel? 어땠어? 그래서 기분이?
Good.
Okay, good and
Happy.
okay, he was happy. And why was that? Why?
Because many friends.
Okay, he had many friends. That's right.